Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a DMI indicator, which is a momentum indicator for Nifty and Bank Nifty index, and you can also use it on the other index as well. So this indicator is very useful for intraday traders, especially for the buyers, because buyer required a momentum to trade in the market, because buyer cannot trade on the sideways market. So first we are going to set up this indicator. So here you have to go to the indicators and type the directional moving average. I have already saved this indicator, so I have click over here, and now you have to go to the settings. On the middle tab you have to uncheck the two boxes, rest all the setting will be the same. So now you have to click on OK, and now your indicator will be look like this. So now what you have to do, you have to mark a horizontal line in the 20 here. Now we have to check the DMI is trailing below the 20 line or above the 20 line. If the DMI is trailing below the 20 line, the market will be stay a sideways market. So this is the not good market for the any intraday buyer. And when the market will be a trending market, or which is a momentum kind of market, the DMI will be about 20. Again, there is one more rule again we have here. Again, we have one more rule here. When the DMI is about 20, but it is a downtrending DMI, means a downward DMI, so the market will also stay sideways. When you have to trade when the price of this DMI mark will be about 20, and the second condition will be it should be upward direction. So it indicate that the market is started giving a momentum now. But remember, you have to note one point. This indicator is not indicating any direction of the market, either it is going upward or market going downward, but it is only indicating the momentum of the market, means market will move either upward or downward. If when the DMI moves upside, or market will stay sideways when the DMI trends a downside of that below 20. So this is the importance of this DMI. Usually we don't have much indicator for the momentum of the Nifty and Bank Nifty, but here you can spot this indicator, and this is also one of my favorite. Most of the time this EMI saves me for to getting into the wrong trade, or to getting into fake DMI, to identify the fake breakouts pattern. When the DMI mark will be when the DMI mark is below 20, the market, there is a very less possibility to market give any breakout. Here you can see that the market is trying to give breakout, but the DMI was very low, so it's not give any breakout. But when the market give a breakout at the downside, the DMI start going upward. Here you can see the DMI started going upward, and also it once it crossed 20, it give again a huge fall. So the meaning of this is to indicate the momentum of the market. It's not indicating the direction of the market. You have to keep that in mind. Again, I'm going to repeat some key point of this video. So whenever the DMI is upward, and it should be above the 20 EMI, it gives you a momentum, which is very good for the intraday buyer. Especially whenever the DMI is trending below the 20 line, it will not give any momentum. So this is the key thing which you have to take from this video. I hope guys you like the video. Thank you so much guys for giving your time. If you like the video, please give a like. and do subscribe to the channel. We will keep you posted such interesting content in coming days. So finally, wish you a very happy new year. Stay safe. Thank you.